Maintaining a well balanced, healthy diet is key to keeping your eyes healthy and may help reduce your risk for developing eye conditions. Genuine eye conditions might be stayed away from assuming you incorporate food sources that contain a scope of nutrients, supplements, and minerals known as antioxidants. Eye conditions that you may be able to prevent with a healthy diet. Your eyes need many types of antioxidants to stay healthy, like lutein, vitamins A, C, E, beta carotene, omega 3 fatty acids, zinc. A balanced diet is best created with a variety of proteins, dairy, fruits, and vegetables. You should limit consumption of unhealthy foods that are processed, contain saturated fats, or are high in sugar. Fish, particularly salmon, can be a great food to consume for eye health. Salmon and other fish have omega 3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats. Omega 3 fatty acids can contribute to visual development and the health of the retina in the back of the eye. They can also help prevent dry eyes. Consider incorporating fish into your meal plan a few days a week. Eggs are great food to eat for eye health. The yolks contain vitamin A, lutein, and zinc, which are all vital to eye health. Vitamin A safeguards the cornea. The cornea is the surface of the eye. Zinc contributes to the health of the retina. The retina is the back of the eye. Zinc also helps eyes see at night. Eggs are extremely versatile and can work for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A simple way to enjoy eggs is by hard boiling them. Try them in salads and sandwiches. Almonds, like other nuts and seeds, are generally good for eye health. Almonds contain vitamin E. This vitamin guards against unstable molecules that target healthy tissue. You should aim for about 50 mg of vitamin E a day. Other nuts and seeds that contain vitamin E include sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and peanuts. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt can be good for the eyes. They contain vitamin A as well as the mineral zinc. Vitamin A protects the cornea while zinc helps bring that vitamin to the eyes from the liver. Zinc is found throughout the eye, especially the retina and choroid, which is the vascular tissue that lies under the retina. This important mineral helps with the night vision as well as the prevention of cataracts. Dairy from grass-fed cows provides the most benefits. Dairy can be consumed throughout your day. You can drink a glass with a meal or enjoy it in coffee and tea or breakfast cereal. Yogurt is a healthy option for breakfast or as a snack. Oranges and other citrus fruit contain vitamin C, which is key for eye health. The vitamin found mainly in fresh fruits and vegetables contributes to healthy blood vessels in your eyes. It can combat the development of cataracts, and in combination with the other vitamins and nutrients, age-related macular degeneration. A healthy diet is essential for eye health. Maintaining a diet high in antioxidants will prevent the development of serious eye conditions and ensure your eyes work their best. Try to eat a variety of whole unprocessed foods on daily basis. See your doctor if you experience problems with your eyes, as early intervention can prevent more serious conditions from developing. Here are some tips for eye health. It's important that you take care of your eyes on a regular basis to maintain eye health. Eating eye healthy foods is not the only way to protect your eyes. Other ways you can keep your eyes healthy include visiting an eye doctor every 1 to 2 years, wearing sunglasses when outdoors, avoiding smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, wearing protective eye gear when engaging in sports, hobbies, home projects, or work-related activities.